Hello students, today we will study in this class binary operation. A binary operation start on set capital A is a function defined from A cross A to A, defined from A cross A to A, that is a star such that A cross A tends to A. We denote star A comma B by A star B. बाइनरी ऑपरेशन जो स्टार से डिनोट किया जाता है ऑन सेट ए इज अ फंक्शन, इट इज ऑल्सो ए फंक्शन, विच टाइप फंक्शन which is defined from A cross A to A, जो A cross A से A पर defined है, that is star such that A cross A tends to A. We denote star A comma B by A star B. Okay, number of binary operations not number of binary operations on set capital A having on set capital A having n elements. Number of binary operations on set capital A having n elements equal to n A is to n A cross A, that is n is to n square. Reason of this, since NA having n elements, number of elements in A cross A equal n square, it means NA, value of NA is n and n cross number of elements in A cross A will be equal to n square. Due to this, formula will be n is to n square. So through this formula we can find number of binary operations on any set. Okay, after that this binary operation follows following property. First, commutative property. Binary operation follows following property. Number one, commutative property. Commutative property. A binary operation star on set capital A is called commutative. A binary operation star on set capital A is called commutative if A star B equal to B star A for all A comma B belong to A. Commutative property in case of addition is this, कि 1 plus 2 equal 2 plus 1. If we change number of elements, so then there will be no change in the result. So 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1. Both values are equal. So this property is said to be commutative. But in case of operation same way, A star B equal to B star A. अगर A स्टार B इक्वल B स्टार A है, A और B का प्लेस चेंज करने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तब ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी आपकी कॉमोटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी कहलाती है. तो बाइनरी ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट कैपिटल A इज कॉल्ड कॉमोटेटिव इफ A स्टार B इक्वल B स्टार A एंड A और B बोथ एलिमेंट्स बिलोंग टू कैपिटल A. तो दिस इज कॉमोटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Second, associative property. Associative property. Binary operation same way. A binary operation A star on set capital A is said to be associative if A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all A comma B and C belongs to capital A. In this case, we consider three elements from set A, B and C. If these conditions A star B star C equal A star B star C, both values are equal, so then we will say this star operation is said to be associative. In this case, first we find A cross B, after that cross C, and in this side first we find B cross C, after that first we find B star C, after that star A, and after simplify these conditions we get left side and right side are equal. So then we will say this binary operation said to be associative. Third, identity. Identity for binary operation. Identity for binary operation. First, पहले देखते हैं कि बाइनरी ऑपरेशन के लिए आइडेंटिटी क्या होगी। इफ स्मॉल a be any element belong to capital A and E another element also belong to A such that A star E equal to A और E star A also equal A for all A belong capital A। यदि A स्टार E का वैल्यू A के इक्वल आता है या E स्टार A का वैल्यू भी A के इक्वल आता है, if such type condition exist for binary operation, so then we will say E is identity element for binary operation। एग्जाम्पल यहां से देखिए, 1 + 0 = 1, 2 + 0 = 2 और 0 + 2 also equal to 2। इट मीन सच एलिमेंट, एक ऐसा एलिमेंट यहाँ 0 है जिसका एडिशन से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सेम एलिमेंट वैसे का वैसा ही आ जाता है। तो एडिशन के केस में 0 आइडेंटिटी है, क्योंकि 0 का एडिशन से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा। 1 में 0 प्लस करो या 0 में 1 को प्लस करो 1 आएगा, 2 में 0 प्लस किया 2 आया, या 0 में 2 को प्लस किया 2 आएगा। इट मीन ड्यू टू दिस 0, इस 0 की वजह से कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा है, तो ऐसा एलिमेंट आपका आइडेंटिटी कहलाएगा। बट दिस 0 आइडेंटिटी फॉर addition operation। Same way here, if in case of binary operation we consider any element कि after operating we get same element, तो such element is said to be identity for this binary operation। जैसे यहाँ E है, A star E equal A, E star A again equal A, तो this way we will say element E is said to be identity for this binary operation। Okay, so therefore element E is said to be identity element E is said to be identity for star operation। Okay, next after this inverse element for binary operation। inverse element for binary operation। पहले इसको एडिशन वाले केस से समझिए। एडिशन केस में 0 आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट है, किसी एलिमेंट में अनदर किस एलिमेंट को ऐड किया जाए जिससे आइडेंटिटी आ जाए। एडिशन केस में 0 आइडेंटिटी है एंड वी कंसिडर एनी एलिमेंट 1 on adding -1 in this one when we get 0। it mean -1, this element -1 is inverse of 1. तो -1 1 का इनवर्स होगा. सेम वे if we add -2 into again we get 0, that is identity. तो same way -2 is inverse of 2. It is clear? Now for binary operation, same way. Here we consider two elements. Let a small a and a small b, a small a and a small b are two elements of set A. And they satisfy following condition. If they satisfy A star B equally or B star A also equal E, for all A comma B both elements belong to A. As we know about element E, that this element A is identity element for binary operation, and here A star B equal to E, it mean A element B element का ये ऑपरेशन ऑपरेट करने के बाद E एलिमेंट आता है, तो देन एलिमेंट B इज सेट टू बी इनवर्स ऑफ A एंड एलिमेंट A इनवर्स ऑफ B, ये एक दूसरे के इनवर्स होंगे. एलिमेंट A का B इनवर्स होगा और B का A इनवर्स होगा, एक दूसरे के इनवर्स होंगे. Reason behind it कि after operating these two elements we get identity. Due to this, so therefore element B is said to be inverse of A. It is also denoted by A inverse. A is to -1. Here element B is said to be inverse of A, and it is also denoted by A is to -1. Okay, this way this is binary operation which follows following property: commutative property, associative property, existence of inverse, and inverse element for this binary operation. So these properties exist binary operation. Okay, now I am taking an example here. Check example this. Check binary operation star defined on Z. Z is set of integer given by A star B equal A minus B is commutative or associative. This binary operation star defined by this condition A star B equal to A minus B. So we have to check here, is it commutative or associative or not? Solution. For commutative, let A and B belong to Z, we have A star B equal A minus B. Numerically example is 2 star 3, that is 2 minus 3 be equal to minus 1, and this minus 1 belong to Z, and B star A equal to B minus A. Here 3 star 2 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1, and this one belong to Z, but 2 star 3 not equal 3 star 2. Clear? Same way A star B which is equal to A minus B, and B star A equal to B minus A. These two values are not equal, implies that A star B not equal B star A. Therefore, A star is not commutative. Examples न्यूमेरिकली आप इस टाइप से दे सकते हैं, इसके थ्रू जनरली केस आपका ये आ जाएगा, और these cases shows कि this star operation not commutative. Star is not commutative. Okay. Second, associative. For associative, in this case we consider 3 elements this way. न्यूमेरिकली देखिए 2, 3 and 5, these are integers. 2 star 3 star 5 equal, first we simplify this, 2 minus 3 star 5 minus 1 star 5. Again we apply star definition, so minus 1 minus 5 it become minus 6, and 2 star 3 star 5. So first we simplify this, 3 star 5 equal to 3 minus 5, and 3 minus 5 become minus 2. Now again apply definition of star, the 2 minus 2 it become 4. In this way this value not equal to this. So it is clear, binary operation is not associative. Here we consider 3 elements, let A, B, C in general case belong to A, and we have A star B star C equal to, first we simplify this, B minus C. After that again we apply definition of this star. Star definition is this, A star B equal to A minus B. So in place of A, here A, in place of B is B minus C. So it will be equal to A minus B minus C, A minus B plus C. Consider this equation first. Again A star B, A star C. after changing the step of this, so A star B, first we simplify here A star B, after that C. A star B by definition of this will be equal to A minus B, again star C. Now again we apply definition of star in place of A here A minus B, and in place of B here C. It will be equal to A minus B minus C. Consider equation second. In this way, by observers through these two equations conditions, value of A star B and B star C not equal to A star B star C. So this way we can say A star B star C not equal A star B star C. Okay, therefore star is not associative. Okay, so in this way, through this examples we can check this definition कि star is not commutative as well as not associative. Okay, after that in next class, if you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, you follow Telegram Trigo Academy, link description में है. Thank you.